Hi, we are on our way to Ikea. We're getting off right now, actually. We're going to be going there for some new beds, some grown-up beds for the kids. But we've been hearing a lot about some vegan items they have there now. A vegan hot dog and a vegan soft serve. But I don't know if our location has it. So we're gonna check. There's some other like snacks and stuff we always get in the little store too. So we're gonna check out those. And then we used to get the vegan meatballs or the vegan veggie balls, but we don't really like them, huh? The kids don't really like them. I never really loved them. What do you think about the veggie balls? You do?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so maybe we'll get the veggie balls again. I don't know, we'll see. But we're gonna look for the newer items. I hope they have the hot dog. But anywho, we're on our way. We're there now, and we'll check in a bit.
I wish we could get to have our own bed.
This one is $123.99 for the bed. What are the ingredients? Oh, there they are. Oh, there's eggs in there. We usually get the oat thingies, the oaties, remember? It says contains wheat, coconut, and milk. I don't see the milk though. Oh, whey powder. It has whey powder. Milk powder. Well, we usually get the elderberry.
I don't know what that
This is lingonberry. Ooh. Where's the veggie balls? Oh, look, it says vegan on it.
Really?
Yeah. Well, let me read everything else. It might have some crazy artificial colors or something. Let's see. Oh, look. Just juices for the flavor. Natural flavors. Sugar is the first ingredient, but there's no artificial colors or flavors.
Can we please get it?
Yeah, we can try them. Yeah? I'm curious about it. What do you think, Super, of the vegan hot dog at Ikea? Good? Oh my goodness, so everybody likes it then. Cody, check. Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, check. Super, check. And Mommy, check.
How can we get them to get unspicy?
They're not spicy, they're sour. They had, you'll see it, but they had these sour gummy candies. And it said vegan right on the bag, and there's no artificials or colors or flavors, so we got a bag. But sugar is the first ingredient, but they're all vegan. And they're pretty good, not too sour, except Super thinks they're sour. Anywho, we got the beds. We found everything we were looking for. And we did get the vegan hot dogs. They were only 75 cents. The regular hot dogs are $1, so they're cheaper. And they were really good. Everybody liked them. They didn't have the vegan soft serve though, so maybe they'll be getting it at this location soon, I hope. But anyways, that's it. Just a little Ikea eats, I guess, vlog. Anybody else want to say something? Nope, they're eating gummies. Everybody's mouth is gummied right now. So, anywho, that's it. All right, peace.